Hey y'all. Y'all, these are always easy sellers for me because all we have to do is touch them up a little bit and then get them going. So, this giant present. Now, what I like about this one is that it's nice enough that it can go rustic or it can go more traditional and trendy because it looks good with both. Watch. So, you could take a ribbon that's got the reds, the greens, the light greens, the whites. Use it here. Or you can go more farmhouse. And farmhouse is what I'm gonna do. So I'm picturing it to be more farmhouse style. So a little bit of buffalo check with some of this really cool farmhouse ribbon. So y'all, let's fluff this little guy out. Y'all, I believe these sprays are also still in the warehouse. There's a pretty big gap between right here, where it looks nice and full, and this piece. So I am going to go ahead and trim this piece off. That way I can make it like into a little mini swag like this. All right, so y'all look, we're gonna zip tie this back together like this. Get that nice and tight. All right, so now we've got this little swag, but it looks a little like it needs a snack. It's very thin, right? Very thin. So we're gonna take this and beef it up a little bit. So just like we did the bottom, I'm gonna do this right up here at the top. Right? All right. Y'all, now we can just layer this one right into this one. Now look how much better that looks. We'll just zip tie all that together. Y'all, now we just gotta decide where on the wreath do we want to put this. I'm thinking I kind of want it at an angle like this. This is just a zip tie project, y'all. Now, we're gonna pick this up and we're gonna see if our swag stays where we put it. There's a chance that it's gonna wanna wiggle. If it wants to wiggle, we're gonna attach it somewhere else down here as well. All right, look, it's not really moving around. What I wanna make sure is that when it's hanging on the customer's door, that when they get home one day, that it's not gonna be turned around. All right, let's make a bow. All right, let's give it a little pinch. All right, y'all, we're gonna go with about a 6-inch loop here. Y'all, I want to put in the buffalo check to match the ornaments on it. All right, give it a good pinch. Tie it off. Now on this one, y'all, I went with a few loops and I made them a little bit big so they're kind of loopy. That way, whenever we add them into the swag, they'll show. Y'all, trying to get this pipe cleaner to go through that mesh, that fabric. So y'all, I use my little ice pick to poke a little bitty hole in the fabric. All right, so see how I made the loops kind of big? That's so whenever we pull the tails out and about, we can pull some of that greenery up and into it. All right, y'all, now all I'm gonna do is pull those ribbons around a little bit so that some of the greens are coming up through the bow. All right, let's check it out. Super cute, super easy.